Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This week we had another busy one on the land. We cleaned up the barn area and cut a bunch of wood. Installed a new protection on the greenhouse. And while we were working in the annex, we found a beautiful nest full of eggs. We also harvested some delicious Nesperas straight from the tree. Burn a big pile of wood and use our 50-meter hose to water the stone wall at the entrance. And of course, today we want to send a special Happy Mother's Day to all the amazing mothers around the world. Thank you for everything you do. So grab a drink, get comfortable, and come spend this Sunday with us. Let's go. Hi, good afternoon. So today we have a major task. Is you see all this wood here behind is the work of art, cleaning up the land for the past months and saving wood for burn. See, he already saved a lot.
For the fireplace?
Yeah, it's here you can see, and also in the back over there, there's tons of it. But he wants to clean this mess so we have more space to be able to do some work here. It's really, we have a lot of wood cut, and you see also in the back more. And try to organize here. You see also here like big pieces of wood.
Yeah, some of that wood is useless, and some of it's useful.
Yeah, see here, they're very big. Some of them are useless, like Art said, but I think that we can do some major changes here, so we'll be able to work. It's a large space. Right now, we didn't demolish the building. I have some ideas for it. Art has other ideas for it. So tell me what you want to do today, Art. Come here.
Well, what I was going to say is, you reminded me that when we decided not to demolish this barn was actually a bigger part of a structure that you can see the platform behind us.
Yep.
There was a wall, no roof, but a wall that was maybe 3 meters high, so you could not see any of this view at all. This view was all blocked. And so when we had decided to remove that, we were going to remove this as well. And luckily, Ricardo, one of the people that we work with, suggested to keep it. And we're very thankful because we wouldn't have any protection against the rain, the wind, anything. So here, I think I'm just going to focus on cutting these to become firewood. And then there's a whole bunch of old posts. We have to decide which ones are worth saving and the other ones will burn. And then these are actually old posts from the existing structure that was here. So some of these posts look like they're good, some maybe not so good, so we're just going to sort them out and then just organize, clean up. That's it. And I'll be just cutting.
So the day is finally here. We received, you see Art in the back there, we received the green cover for the summer. It's a see-through kind of protection for the sun because of the the future greenhouse. We already have things growing if you've been following our weekly reports. And sometimes, it's just in the summer here gets really, really hot, so we need some kind of protection. The water can go through. It's like a membrane, but it's not a membrane. It's like, it's just a protection. How do you call this?
Actually, what we've decided to use is olive netting.
It's called olive netting.
For the olives?
For the olives? Oh, yeah.
So this allows for the rain to go through.
Yeah, it's the netting. The net.
Sunlight, it's UV protection.
Okay. Yeah, is the netting that they put around the olive trees when they're collecting the olives. So this is what we're gonna be.
You saw it in about a video last year.
Yes, I said that finally the date is here. So I'm gonna put it on time lapse.
Actually, good, but if you did it like this, then you can time lapse it on the computer.
Yes, but when you time lapse in computers, it'd be weird. I mean, you can always time lapse and you can speak through the video. I couldn't believe, but Art told me that the nest had a bird in it. And look for our surprise. They have eggs. I think 4 or 5 eggs, no? How cool. It is all protected here in the corner. It is super awesome.
Hello, I'm at the creek area of our property, and Ator is one of Ator's favorite fruits, and Nesperas right here. Don't tell anybody, it's really on the other side of our property. We're just going to cut the very top branch. I don't know if you can see it in the video, it's way up there. It's too high really to get to fruit, and what I've read is fruit trees should be about 3.5 meters tall, I think around that time, that amount, so that you can reach or get the fruit. And kind of funny, I don't know why, but some of these tree branches have scorch marks on them, so I don't know if there was a fire or what happened, but I'm going to cut a few branches just to balance out the tree and make it more healthy. Maybe somebody can tell us. I'll look into it as well, but it has to be a disease, or it looks like it's burnt. Here, let us know in your comments if you know what this is. Thanks. So we're kind of taking it a little bit easier this week. The crew's not going to be coming until next week, that's what they say. So we're kind of enjoying the solitude, and yeah, that's why I'm not having like a raging fire. Usually the fires I burn are pretty big. Kind of in a more, let's relax, even though I'm out of breath. Let's just relax a little bit and let the day happen. So I'm just going to be cutting and burning. Hopefully you enjoy it. I don't know if HR will speed it around, but I'm just going to let it run. Maybe have a few comments here and there. think I was hearing some of you guys screaming, you're suffocating the fire, suffocating the fire. So thank you for saying that. I'm moving some of the branches, cutting it up in a little more pieces, and hopefully get just a more productive fire. But thanks for those thoughts. You guys were screaming them in your head. I heard it. Tiring than you think.
I had put on the time lapse, but I had a call and it was in a tripod, so I did not record anything. So we're a little upset because we had like great ideas, we changed around, but ended up putting stones because the size of the material, the fabric is too long on one side, too short in the other. So this was the best option. Anyway, it's temporary, and we see how it looks. Art's really upset because he used his brain and his new idea.
It's your idea.
And no, the stone is your. No, your son's your idea.
Both our ideas.
And nothing was recorded because my mom and my sister called for the 20th time today already, as they do every day. So I'm gonna film inside of the greenhouse. We have a roof. We have a roof above our heads. It looks quite cool, actually. I like it. This is a preview. I mean, it's not gonna look like this. It's gonna be a proper structure with nice glass ceiling, but right now it does the job because avoids the plants to get burned. See, like some of them, like this one, is already getting burned because of the sun. And these are all new babies. And the tomatoes are also new babies. The mint doesn't mind. It seems that she doesn't mind to have full sun. But the basilicum is burned. The big basilicum is being burned. The little ones are germinating. The oak tree, the oaks are also growing. Onions, more tomatoes.
So you can see I have had a nice fire burn on my face. Always happens. So, as you recall, I just told you that I was gonna take it easy and take my time, have a slow burn. Well, here's the fire right now. The last of it. Rachel's in the background there, strumming, connecting the annex trail to here, which we call second tier. It's just below where the house is going to be built, here, up here. The house was going to be where the stake is, but we're going to push it back 2 meters. I didn't want it to overhang the hill too much, and this is the spot that you saw earlier that had the pistachio. I was just going to do a little bit. One thing went led to another, like usual. And Scruffy was the supervisor, so I blame it all on him. He didn't pace me at all. But we're enjoying it. It's beautiful here. It's nice and semi-cloudy. Sitting amongst the wildflowers. Our little one's just taking a little nap. I'm done. I was gonna take it easy because of my arms, but yeah, I don't know, maybe a different exercise or a different motion helps the arms, or I don't know. I'm babbling, I'm tired, so I'm gonna sign off from this project and I pass it along to H next.